Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you a Bordio tutorial guide for project management. So first, what is this Bordio? Bordio is a cloud-based productivity tool combining task scheduling, calendar planning, and project tracker. Designed for individuals and teams aiming to get more done efficiently. You have here a calendar planner, task list, Kanban board, projects, and notes. So first thing you want to do is go to bordio.com and log into your account or sign up. Now after you logged in or sign up, you will be directed here. As you can see here is my workspace. Here is my all activities. I have here my tasks, calendar, and notes. Now, on adding a new task, click on this one. And for example, I'll name it do my homework. Then I'll input here a task description. Search up for blah 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 blah. You can edit it by clicking on this one. You can bold it, italic, underline if you want. There you go. You can also add a subtask. You can add a subtask name. For example, while doing your homework, you will add another task that is not as heavy as your homework. So it is a subtask. You can input here what type it is: operational, technical, strategic, hiring, or financial. Input operational. A status: new task, scheduled, in progress, or completed. I'll input it as new task. Now schedule for tomorrow. Now estimated time, maybe around 30 minutes. And click on create task. And your task has been successfully created. And here it is. Do my homework. You can input it, you can tick it on here if you want to change it. Now on calendar. Here I have the calendar, like the task that I've created earlier. Here it is, on Monday or tomorrow. I can input it here if I want to change the date when I'm going to do it. Now to add new, just click on this add new, either add task or event. I'll add an event. Event name, for example, shopping. You can add your location, event agenda, shopping with friends. There you go. You can attach file and set reminder. What type it is: meeting, online call, or interview. I just input it as meeting. Then click on create event. And here it is. I've placed the event here. I can drag and drop it here or wherever I want. Now notes. To add new, click on that one. Here you can add notes like anything that you want to take notes on. After that, you can have it here. You can see all of your projects here. You can click on plus button to create a project. For example, how to. There you go. I have my project here. You can have your tasks, calendar, notes, people, and settings. And that's the basic stuffs you want to do here on the Bordio. And that's basically it.